What's good, man? It's your round. Pack Boy Dolo checking in with another episode of Round the Clock Thinkers. First, I want to say, shout out to my people out there, man. You already know that the show is brought to you by the Treeway Winter Wear Collection, man. You can get the drip, browse the drip, cop the drip right with the link in the description, man. Make sure you go vibe out with that. You did. Today we're gonna be talking about something really important. Oh yeah, the book, man, the booklet. You did. You see, I almost forgot about the booklet, man. Make sure you go get the Pretty Much Understanding, man. Go get the Pretty Much Understanding. It is on Amazon, link in the description, and also it is on the official website link. That's the e-booklet. That's what you need to go get. That free e-booklet. And the official site is in the description. But if you want the physical copy, hey, use the Amazon link, man. It's the first link. It's all on you, you dig? But the information is there. Today, look, I'm so ready to jump into the show, man. We're gonna be talking about how to make constant adjustments. How to make constant adjustments. Now, and honestly, this right here was very important for me, man. When I first started, like, bettering myself, and man, whew. Yo, those tests come back to back to back, dog. And if you don't know how to adjust, fuck. So what do I mean by adjust? I mean business, personal. You need to adjust in all types of situations in life, man. Like, seriously, it's all these inevitable mini challenges that we will have to constantly adjust to. Life gonna continuously throw shit at you. You know what I'm saying? That's life. So you have to learn the skill of being able to adjust properly to the curveballs that life will inevitably throw. You can't dodge it. It's no getting out of that. You feel me? It was a part of the contract. And so, if you fail to adjust, then you get left behind. You get left behind. And that's why you'll see somebody come all the way up, and then they fall all the way back down, and they never come back up again. They never come back up. Why? They failed to adjust. They didn't adjust. They wanted things, when things were a certain way, they had it figured out. When things changed, they forgot. You see what I'm saying? They forgot how to run the operation. So, learning and knowing how to adjust is going to be a very impactful skill set to have, to make sure that you can keep all of the inevitable noise down to a minimum, if that makes sense, right? So accept change. That's one of the most important things you're gonna have to do, really, is accept change. The person that fell off and never came back up because they failed to adjust, if they would have, right after they took that L, if they would have said, look, man, I need to get with the program and understand that shit is gonna change. So they would have said, what I need to do now to get back. Instead, when things changed and that person didn't want to adjust because learning something new felt like too much work for them. It was too much for them. It was sweet when it was a certain way for them, but that was it. So accept change, man. Don't make that mistake. Accept change. Once we accept that, we'll make sure we're on top of things for when they do change. We're not stubborn and stuck in making this fantasy world up in our mind, which is totally fine, but without sprinkling in a dose of reality and realizing what's really going on and realizing that things really is always going to change and you have to be adjustable, period. So like words of Sensei Fushe, salute my good sir. Now we can master through the manipulation. Once you accept change, you can master through the manipulation, which rolls right into the next point. Detaching emotionally. When you're able to detach emotionally, you're able to adjust even better. Even better. The quicker you can detach emotionally, the quicker you can adjust. And a lot of times, you have to adjust before you can detach emotionally. So it's a cold game already. But you knew that though. Next point. Create fallbacks. You have to learn this skill set as well. Create fallbacks. Learning how to have backup plans. Learning how to have backup plans for backup plans. Right? And also learning how to come up with plans quick on the fly. If you can freestyle a plan up when one fell through, that's needed. That's a necessity. That's a skill set. That's a skill set right there that should be honed and not overlooked and talked about more. Coming up with plans quick on the fly. In case the plan B or the backup plan for the backup plan fall through. You know what I'm saying? Can you come up with something quick on the fly? You just never know what kind of situation you will end up in. Right? And in closing, y'all, above all, relax, man. Relax. Flow through life. Flow and float through life. Don't push and struggle your way through life. Flow and float. Right? Identify with love. I'm going to talk about that in one of the shows coming up. Identify with love, man. Flow and float through life. It's really not that bad. We're here anyway. You might as well make the best of it. So learn how to constantly make adjustments. Man, this your Ron Papodolo checking out. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And hit the notification bell, man, so you'll see when my shit be uploading and all that good stuff. I'm trying to sound low key professional, but I'm just not good at that, y'all. I be forgetting to say shit. But like, comment, subscribe. I be forgetting to say shit. I'm getting better, but whatever. Anyways, I got the unlimited reset coming up very, very soon. It'll be after my fast when I'll start pumping the segments out for that. Other than that, man, y'all be on the lookout for this game. Keep soaking it up, man. Keep soaking up this sauce. Cause listen to me, if you soak it up enough, you're gonna start applying it without thinking about it, and then you're gonna notice you're applying it. And then what I always say, once you see what's working, you double down on what's working. Once you see it working, you double down on it. You're gonna be excited, and I'm excited for you to be excited and notice that you're changing for the best. Man, it's your round, Pat Bordolo, checking out. Peace.